there? Who is there? Who is there? Speak at once! I know the man with that scent. Longinus! Of course it is you, Longinus! Have you not been warned to stop coming here?
See, I'm a freeborn in this land. I'm a freeborn of this land. Nobody can tell me where to go, when to go, and how to go anywhere.
Longinus, what do you want from me? What do you want from a girl without sight? Of all the girls in this village with sight, what do you want from me?
See, Ujuka, sometimes you even act like you don't even know what you have. Okay, see, can you imagine your part of your body where the sun is hitting? It's like this. Can you imagine the places that sun doesn't touch? Ujuka, I cannot let you be. You gotta follow me. You gotta follow me.
Leave this place at once before I scream! Leave!
See, don't even bother yourself wasting your energy. I already saw your brother at Maze Cheteka's farmland, so he's not coming back anytime soon. Better relax.
Neighbors will come to my rescue.
Neighbors, go.
Leave this place! Longinus, leave this place! Leave this place!
Ujuka, just calm down.
Longinus, leave this place! What do you want from a girl with sight? Ugo, that's you, right? Ugo!
It's me.
I don't know what he wants from me. I don't know what he wants from me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're fine now. Alright? Let's go inside. Yes, I'm here. See me. I'm here. Are you okay?
It was a bad dream.
A bad dream? About what?
I'm fine. I'm fine, not to worry.
You don't want to talk about it now?
I'm fine.
Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Good morning. You're awake?
Yes, I'm awake.
Yes, sister.
Where are you going?
Sister, Mazi Cheteka wants me to work in his farmland. So I'm going there this morning to work in his farmland and see if I can raise some money. We don't have much money in the house.
Ugo, Biko, could you please forget about going to the farm today? Biko, please, eh?
Sister, we don't have much money here for us to feed. If I don't go out there, how am I going to raise some money for us to feed?
We can manage, Biko. Oh? We can manage. Besides, the job will wait for you. I'm certain it will be there for you till tomorrow. Oh, please forget about today.
Well, I'll go out and get you some drugs, and at least when you take it and you feel better, maybe in the evening I'll go and work for him.
Go. Okay. Better. I don't want you going out this morning at all. Please stay with me and take care of me, oh? Please.
I heard you, sister. I'll go and get you the drugs and buy okpa so that you eat and take your drug. And sister, I hope it's not about the dream you had that you have not told me about.
No, it is not. Bam. Far from it.
Okay, let me go out and get you the drugs so that you will take. And go inside now.
Why did you stop singing? Eh? Why did you stop singing? A song that I'm enjoying already. Nah, must you cut everything I like short? Now for you.
The stench from your unclean mouth always announces your presence. What have you come here to do? Longinus!
So you mean that me, Longy Baby? You mean that me, Longy Baby? Is it that my mouth smells, Abby? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I said it. What have you come here to do? What have you come here to do, Longy?
Calm down. Why your blood dey hot like this? See, I have come to take my chances once more. How long will you even deny me all these things? What's this up now? For how long will you keep saying no to me? See, you have to. You gotta follow me out.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Longinus?
I'm talking about a piece of you again. Okay, and maybe they come sing it. Even if now only the cat, even if not small, make I pen you. Who can you on and off, man? Nah. See, you have to. You can't be this beautiful for nothing now.
Aren't you tired of wanting to defy a defenseless blind girl? Aren't you tired of wanting to have what you will never get?
I will never get it, Abby.
Yes!
I will never get it. See, let me tell you. If you're even thinking of shouting your brother's name to come and save you, I saw him by the chemist shop buying something on my way to this place. So, nothing come out, nobody to save you. Efreya, one no semega, you got follow me now, so. You got.
Longinus! Longy, don't come close to me. Don't come close to me, Longy. Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me, Longy. Don't come. Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me.
You got follow me out. Nigga follow me now. You got follow me out. Oh, I'm the queen. I'm the queen. Why are you stressing? Why are you stressing? Never me here now. Okay. See, in this village, if I don't have you, nobody will have you.
That bastard had got to show up here. He had got to show up here. How dare he? How dare he?
It was a miracle that I escaped.
Why didn't you tell me about the vision you had? You should have told me about your vision.
I thought the best way to stop the vision from actualizing was you not going to the farm today. I am always vulnerable when you are away from me. I'm always vulnerable.
I thought the Igwe wanted him never to show up in this house again.
Ugo, mention one person. Tell me one person who isn't scared or afraid of Longinus.
Sister, I am not afraid of Longinus. I am not afraid of Longinus in this village. I will show him the stuff I'm made of. Wait,
Ugo,
I'm coming.
Ugo, where? Ugo, where are you going? Ugo, one name. Ugo, please. Ugo, you're not going anywhere. Do you want this vision to come to pass? Eh?
Sister, let that vision come to pass today. That vision must come to pass. You see Longinus, he must die today.
Ugo, you're not going anywhere. Ugo.
Longy, emereki eme. Onyo biojo, emereki eme. Sosarura na juru yobi, emereki eme. Echiche ya niile bi hojo, emereki eme. Iwanekeno nuko si agije, emereki eme. Emereki eme.
Longinus! Longinus! You're taking more than you can chew.
Now. Calm down. See, Ugonna. See, what is all this problem? Why are we even?
Yes, sir. Quite understood, sir. Yes, sir, but I have something important I need to tell you. Yes, so the owner of the building introduced someone to me as the new plumber. And I don't feel comfortable here anymore, sir. Yes, sir, because I feel like as the engineer on site, my opinions should be respected. They keep undermining my position as the engineer on site. and I feel very bad about it. Yes, sir. For an instance, I told him how deep the sockaway should be when digging. He pays me no attention. I told him the number of pillars to erect to enable cars pass on the bridge. He's very nonchalant about it. I also told him the types of pipe to use to avoid blockage in the future. But this guy directly told me that I should mind my business. Sir, if these guys here do not have respect for the engineer on site, then what am I doing here? Please, sir, I need them to be called to order. All right, no problem, sir. Okay, I'll no problem. I've heard you. All right, thank you. Thanks.
Out here alone. What are you looking for? And besides, where is your brother?
He's the one I'm looking for. He's the one I'm looking for.
Okay, you know what? Let me take you back home. You can't walk without an aid.
No, please, I need to find my brother before he does something drastic. Take me to Longi's house, please. He will do something he will regret. My brother will do something he will regret.
All right, let's go home first. I will go and look for your brother and stop him.
No.
Promise.
No, please.
Let's just go, please.
Take me to Longi's house.
Let's go home first, please. This way.
What is pursuing the squirrel this afternoon? Amadi. Amadi. Okay, go. Amadi. Stop. How many times did I call you? Who is a squirrel? Amadi, call me now, boss. Eh? Hey, this man. Amadi, now one. Amadi. Are you referring to me as a squirrel? Amadi? If I refer to you as a squirrel, what will you do? What will you do? For your information,
Or rather, if you have forgotten, I am one of the people in this village that is not afraid of you. Amadi, see, let me tell you. In no due time, the position of a lion would be re-established in the gathering of a man like you. Kaikobet. Yeah, fear. Thank God that you've always referred yourself as an animal. One man. And that animal you shall remain. Please tell me why you are here. Please stop talking rubbish. At your small age, I have on white age. You go. I beg, give me Pami, make a drink. Give me one jug. Which Pami? You're still owing me for the last one you took. And you still want me to give you another one. Pay me first. Wait. Does that mean I cannot have Pami now? You cannot until you pay for the last one you took. Or the very simple. You are looking down on me, Amadi. In a neglect. But I will shock you. Wagwiji! I will shock you, Amadi. No, I will shock you. I will shock you. Amadi, I will shock you. I will give you change before you go. Amadi. Amadi, the kind of insult you know in this village, Amadi. Amadi, rain go fall. Amadi, rain go fall. And when rain fall, go beat you. When the rain will fall, even the vulture will know that he is not supposed to step out of the rain. If not, Miriam Makaya. Amadi, you tell me that thing where they off your head. Hey, I'm going to be in a police. Okay, one money by the time rich. One money by the end. And the time rich. Speaking when I know she there.
We have to hurry up, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Hurry up.
Okay,
so
sir.
I can meet up with the mechanic. It's very important.
Okay,
I don't
sir.
trust these villagers. Don't know. Besides, you don't even know where we are right now.
I know where I am. I need to go and find my brother before it's too late.
Don't
Please.
worry. Let's go home first. See, it's very dangerous for you to come out alone.
No, I will take my chances,
No.
please.
Four. Four. Let me take you home. Wait.
Ugonna! 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 Mother, come up for us now. Which kind of woman be this one now? Ugonna! What person be this one?
Hello.
Ugo...
Hello.
Ugonna!
Hey, what's wrong with you villagers?
I'm sorry, sir.
Hey, wait. Are you deaf? What's actually wrong with you villagers? A tricycle is right behind you. And you won't let us pass. Why?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Listen, you have to be sorry for yourself. A grown-up girl like you, in the middle of the road, playing with sticks? At your age?
Sir, I'm sorry. I am without sight. I wouldn't have made such mistake if I was with sight, sir.
Then stop making such mistakes. Please leave the road.
Sir, I said I am without sight.
Oh. I didn't hear that part. You can't see me? Are you blind? She's blind. Eh? She's blind. No wonder. Oh. Listen, I am so sorry. I apologize. I didn't hear that part. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't know you had this, deficiency.
It's okay, sir. If only my brother hadn't left the house, I would not be in the middle of the road causing trouble with my condition. I'm sorry.
Listen, I'm sorry, okay? How can I help? Did you say you're looking for your brother?
Yes, Ugonna one name. He ran out of the house. I don't know exactly the house he went, but I need to find him before he does something drastic. I need to.
Okay. Let's help find your brother, okay? Can we go? I can help you find your brother. Is that okay?
Oga, I thought you are looking for a mechanic that will fix your car.
Yes, I am, but that can wait. Let's help find her brother, okay?
Maybe so your money go increase now.
That's okay. That's okay. Come with me. Let's find your brother.
I don't want to inconvenience you, sir. Just lead me to the market square so that I can find people who will help me locate my brother.
No.
I'm sure I'll find my brother.
Oh, listen,
once
young
I get
lady.
to the market square.
Young lady, I'm not complaining, okay? I just want to help find your brother. I can't leave you here. You're blind, you can't see. Something bad might happen. Okay? So just come with me and let's find your brother together. Is that okay? Let's help her. Okay. Is that okay? Just trust me, okay?
One name, I fell too many times.
It's okay. Just come this way. Come.
Longi, emeregi eme. Onye obi ọjọọ, emeregi eme. Sọsa arụra nna juru ya obi, emeregi eme. Echiche ya niile bụ ihe ọjọọ, emeregi eme. Ngwa nekenunu ka o si aga ije, emeregi eme. Emeregi eme o, emeregi eme. Loja singi kpachara anya gị emere gị eme.
Useless Longinus.
Excuse me. Sorry, please. I'm looking for someone called Ugonna. Have you seen him around here?
Ugonna.
Ugonna, yes.
Is there any problem?
Ugo.
Who are you, sir?
Ugo, is that you?
Ugo. Sister.
Ugo.
Sister Uchuka.
Ugo.
Sister.
Ugo. Ugonna.
I'm here.
Why did you do like this now, eh? Do know how many times I fell in search of you? I don't like this. You know my condition and you left that way.
I'm sorry, sister. I'm sorry.
I don't like it.
I'm sorry.
Hi,
Hi.
my name is Engineer Eric. Are you the person she's been looking for?
Yes, sir.
Why? She's been looking everywhere for you. I'm sure you know her condition. You shouldn't let her be by herself. Please don't do this again.
Alright, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry I left her alone.
I hope you did not do anything drastic.
Sister, it was lucky, but I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Thank this Olga for me. He gave me a lift.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
That's okay. That's okay. Listen, where you guys headed?
I was going home.
Okay, we all have to manage in this, okay? Because my car just broke down. I'm trying to fix it, all right? Please get your stuff so we can go. Please help her in. Thank you.
I don't like this thing.
Sorry. It's okay. Yeah, this way is okay. It's okay. Like this. Sorry. Your head. Sorry.
Please, careful.
Easy.
Careful. Sorry.
Sorry.
So we'll just take them home, all right? Yeah. I should be on my way now. I'm very glad that you're back home and safe.
I appreciate, sir. I appreciate all you did today. I'm really, really grateful, sir. Thank you once again.
You're welcome. You're very welcome. My name is Eric, actually, not Sir. So address me as Eric, okay? And I must say you're very pretty. You are a very pretty woman.
Thank you, sir. I hear that a lot, but how true is that?
Oh, it's very, very true. I mean, I wish you can see for yourself. Yeah.
I wish I could actually see how beautiful people claim I am.
No, they don't claim actually. They are right. They are right. You're very beautiful. Yeah.
By the way, sir, my name is Ujuka.
Oh, beautiful name. You have a beautiful name.
Thank you, sir. And he's Ugowannem, my younger brother. I love to call him my guardian angel. He's the only family I have. And he's been taking very good care of me since our parents died.
Oh, I see. I'm really sorry to hear about your parents. Okay? And nice to meet you, young man.
Thank you.
My name is Eric, like I said before. I'm an engineer in this village. I'm in charge of some of the projects you see around. I'm new in this village and I like it here. Unfortunately today my car stopped. It got bad, so I was heading to get a mechanic. That's when I saw your sister.
Oh, well, you're welcome to our village, sir.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for what you did for my sister today. If not for you, what would have happened to her? Thank you.
No, that's okay. That's okay. But I must commend you for taking good care of her. Please continue to do that because she needs it. Okay?
All right, sir. Thank you.
I'll be on my way now. Yes, I have to get the mechanic to fix my car.
All right, sir. If it's about your car, you'll get your car fixed because we have good mechanics in this village.
Thank you. I called one already. So take good care of your sister and take care of yourself, okay? I'll see you guys some other time. All right. All right.
Okay, sir.
Take care.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye. Yeah.
kept you waiting. Okay, go now. Don't worry, I'll give you whatever you want, okay?
Love is the most beautiful thing that could ever happen between two hearts. Love is the most beautiful thing that could ever happen between two hearts. Love is the most beautiful thing that could ever happen between two hearts.
Hi, baby. Wait, are you the one cutting this grass or the grass is cutting you? Which one?
You scared me, really?
Sorry. See, money, see the only thing you've cut.
I've tried. What are you saying? Okay, thank God you're here. Take.
Eh?
Help me cut this grass, please.
No, I was just passing by. As an indigenous of this community, I decided to come and send my greetings to this household. Did I do anything wrong?
No, you didn't. Well, we've received your greetings, so can you now please help me to cut this grass? Before my mom gets back from the market, I've been trying to avoid doing this since morning. Please.
Why are you such a lazy girl? Why?
Yet you love me like that. Well, I missed you.
I missed you, baby.
So how is your sister?
She's just there. How have you been?
I've been great, just bored.
You're bored?
Yeah. Though I was even planning on coming to your place later today.
Are you serious? That would be a nice idea. Well, let me go home, prepare myself, and I'll wait for your coming. How about that?
Bad boy. I'll wait for your call. Alright, enough talking. Take. Be a man.
Hmm?
Let me get you a cup of water.
Did I say I'm thirsty? You want to give me a job?
Please, no, just help me.
You wire girl. You're lucky to have a man like me as your man.
And you are so blessed to have me as your woman.
Oh, give me.
Thank you so much for helping me out with the grasses.
You're welcome, baby. But you need to stop being lazy.
Come on, I'm not. You're not lazy. Not see you. Hey. My mom is here.
When will you ever introduce me to your mom? So we'll make this whole thing legit. I'm tired of hiding.
This is not the right time. My mom is coming.
One more kiss.
See, I'll come to your house later.
One more kiss.
Go.
One more kiss.
I'll come to your place later. Just go. Go. Mama. Who was that? Ma? Who was that? Who? It's just me here.
I thought I saw someone round towards backyard. When you there?
Someone? No. Mama, it's just me here. Mama.
So you don't even trust me. You don't trust your daughter. It's not fair. I hope you have finished what I asked you to do. Yes, now. See the compound. Your compound is all cleared up. Okay. Go and make fire. Let's make lunch. Okay. Welcome.
Longi, longi, emereki eme. Onyo biojo, emereki eme. So sarura na juru yobi, emereki eme.
Idiot!
Ugo!
Sister?
I heard a voice. A scream. Who screamed?
Sister? Is he not that stupid and useless Longinus?
Longinus?
Yes, sister.
What did he do?
I saw him peeping through the window, peeping at your room.
Hey! Chimo! Peeping!
Yes, sister. But
what did you do to him?
I gave him what he deserves.
Longi.
He's a very useless man. I don't know what he wants to see.
Oh, wow.
Sister, are you done dressing?
Yes.
Okay. Let me take you inside so I will prepare for farm, okay?
Hi. Peeping. What? Are you gonna keep peeping? What does he want to see?
Easy now, easy. Easy, this thing is painful now. Eh?
Longinus, you mean it is someone that beat you like this?
Eh? Ugonna now.
Ugonna?
Now, Ugonna. Ugonna did this thing to me, oh. Eh? Ha.
Sorry. You need to go for the tetanus injection because this thing might cause rabies for you.
Eh? I know why I'm leaving that boy. You see that boy called Ugonna? I know why I'm letting that boy slide away with all this rubbish. If not for one thing, may that boy ain't give me a.
Well, Longinus, let me even ask you something. What is that one thing that is stopping you from dealing with that useless boy once and for all?
My Ujuka. One Ujuka. I don't want to do anything that will hurt that girl. Guy, if not for Ujuka, I'm for all this boy. We're going to be good na. Good na more bands na. One pot. Aye. Good na pot na.
But she consistently denies you what you seek for. Can't you see that it can't work out?
Nah.
Why are you still killing yourself?
One. I hate negative energy around me. I hate negative energy around me. If you don't believe in what I believe, what is all this now? What will give me to know? Swear, what will give me to know?
Longinus, I'm only telling you the truth. Only for the truth. Why are you shouting now? Eh? Why are you shouting?
No problem.
You love Ujuka. You love Ujuka. Look at it.
think I know what to do.
What do you want to do?
Where is Carlo?
I believe he should be at the bar now, wasting.
On the fetch Carlo. I have an assignment for both of you. Walk Carlo to down. Let me smoke my pen and we'll go.
On the make I drag one mouth now. Make I drag one mouth, I beg.
Now waiting make you know they get respect.
Oh God, make I drag one mouth, I beg. Now waiting play now. Huh? Are they come now, huh?
So, I beg, if they come back, if you see Peters, Peters, yes, bring one.
Longi, longi, emereki eme. Onyo biojo, emereki eme.
You said I'm going with you to the farm.
Yes, it's better you go with me wherever I go to for your own safety, instead of being here alone.
The boredom is killing me already. Just that I couldn't complain.
Sister, you need to be open to me at all times so that I know what troubles you. I'm here to effectively take care of you. So please, be open to me.
Ugo, you sound way too mature for your age. Way too mature. I can't believe you denied yourself youthful pleasure and assumed the role of a parent just to be there for me. How can I ever repay this kindness?
Sister, you want to repay your own brother? You don't need to repay me. I am here to take care of you. It's my responsibility, all right?
Ugo. I wish I could see how grown you've become. Has stress made you look old? Or is it just your voice that sounds old?
Sister, the rain has stopped and my clients are waiting for me. Let's get to the farm and we'll talk more. Is that okay?
I love you, one name.
And I love you too. So let's start going. Okay?
Lead the way, I'm behind you.
So go down first. Let me. Easy, yeah. Danger.
Yes.
I am here with you. You don't have anything to be scared of.
Ugonna, let's take another direction, please.
Sister, I am here with you. You don't have anything to be scared of.
Ugonna, please. My instinct and gut feeling have never failed me. Let's take another direction. Biko.
Sister, I am here with you. Besides, there's no one here. I can't even see anyone.
Let's go, please.
Hey,
please.
Hold it there.
Ugo.
Hold it there.
Ugo, one name.
Stay away. Stop. Stay
Ugo,
away.
one name.
Stay away.
Stop. Hold it there.
Stay away.
Ugo, are you okay?
Stay away.
Ugo, one name.
Stay away.
Ugo. Ugo. Ugo.
I'm fine, sister. I'm here.
So that poor little blind girl outsmarted both of you. That small girl outsmarted both of you. No be here. One oku.
But you know everything now. Poppy, you know what's up. She wouldn't have done that without the help of her.
How old is the brother? I don't know the boy, the guy. Are you not twice his age? Eh? And you allow that small boy play on your intelligence. How can that boy go fit run past you, some boat? You where the back generator climb fence disappear. Okay, because no be on Milamatabi.
Senior, no vex, eh? Akachuku, we didn't see that coming. Boy was just too fast and went into hiding. Like he already knows his way around the bush.
You hear yourself now. Small picking where they stay house now. Don't sabi road pass you. Where they live inside bush. For inside bush. Mugo. It don't be now. It don't be as it go be. My money.
I'll see.
Singing. My money. But I'm gonna balance me money when I give her for this deal now. As soon as I know deliver, I'm not gonna balance me now. Eh? I Bobby, where my money now? Kaima? You know they hear me. Where my money?
Oh, you know as it be now, Bobby. You know what's up now.
How you dey?
Everly now almost smoke. I swear, loud cost like mad this season. One day I'll find out, check out now. Huh?
I use my money.
I swear.
Huh? Grab my money.
Huh?
No, that's all.
I tell you, sir, use and buy.
Where my money? Where my money? Where my money, guy?
Huh?
Where my money, guy?
Okay.
I want my money. Where my money? No, guy, come.
Put up, they come.
Give me my money, give me my money, that's all.
No, come.
No, you come down. Give me my money, guy.
Longi, onye obi ọjọọ emere gị eme sọsọ arụra nna juru ya obi emere gị eme echiche ya niile
if you want smoke, okay, smoke for your pocket, toy son. Smoke for your pocket, toy son.
ko si ya gị ije emere gị eme.
When they high with my money, see small girl will play on your intelligence. You get them out the dog.
Oh God, where are you? Chim ebekino. Life is so harsh on me, oh. So painful, so painful.
I want to hear his voice again.
Oh God, where are you?
Who?
The voice of the man who helped me.
Oh, the stranger.
I would prefer you don't call him that. His gentle voice still rings in my head A good man, I choose to call him.
Okay, you're right. He's a good man. He came for a project here. I guess he's done with the project and left. Eh?
Of course he will leave. I know he will leave. Everyone leaves. Everything good keeps leaving me. My sight left me a long time ago. Mama and Papa both left me. Everything is gone.
Sister, everything good is gone. But I'm here for you. You know what? I'm here with you. Let's face life challenges together. We'll win. We'll conquer. Okay? I love you, sister. I do. And I'm here to protect you. Okay? Is that okay? So can we go?
Okay, let's go.
Please don't cry. Alright?
Let's go.
Who is Longinus and why does Mr. Amadi want to kill him? Like I said, I'll ensure you're protected from any evil. Okay? I'll ensure nothing bad happens to you. No harm will come on you, I promise you that.
Thank you, sir. You see, all my life I've been praying to have a guardian angel. And here you are, protecting me already.
Well.
Longinus is the only problem I have in this village. He's sworn to torment me, even in my world of darkness.
That won't happen again. I'm in talks with the police and they're doing everything in their power to ensure that it never happens again.
Police? Hey. Even the king is afraid of Longinus in this village. Oh. He slept in almost all the cells in this village.
It's okay. Let me handle that, okay? Alright?
Okay, sir.
I gave your brother some money to buy some food stuff.
Hey. Again? Again?
Yeah.
Hey. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take good care of yourself. I'll be in touch from time to time, okay?
Okay, sir. My brother told me about your big, beautiful car.
Where is he? Where's Gona?
He's coming. He went to get something.